In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. After that, tap on App Permissions and select one of your device's features, like microphone. Over here, click on one of your apps that you wish to manage. I will go with Facebook from Not Allowed section and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So when I click and go back, I can see that Facebook just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you are interested in, and instead of selecting one of those options, tap on See All from Permissions. Then manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!